Alright, so a little update here. My car is extremely filthy. It's going to be a full day of driving around, so it's going to look a hell of a lot worse than what it does right now. Rather embarrassing. But I want to make a little quick video, little update. I did get my rim fixed, and it actually turned out a lot better than what I was expecting. It was about right in here. You can kind of tell with the edge right there, but if you feel it, I mean, it feels still pretty good there. And there's just one little scratch right there. But, I mean, it came out a lot better than what I was expecting. I did try to see if they would do anything to touch it up, and they kind of told me there was nothing else. But whatever, it's still fixed for free. I'll take it. So that's just a little update on the rim, and I hope you guys have a good 4th of July. I kind of feel like a rebel supporting some Germany on 4th of July, but whatever. Alright, you guys have a good one.